My name is Marc-Andre Lanciault. I'm the CEO at Inbox International, and I'm also the lead developer of a project called ImpressCMS. And it's a content management system based on Zoops. We created that project in 2007. And today I believe we're going to talk about the Web PI. So most of our community at ImpressCMS are using ImpressCMS with Linux on the LAMP stack, so Linux, Apache, MySQL. We do have a few users using it on IIS, but there's not a whole lot of people doing that. So when we were asked if we were interested to include ImpressCMS on Web PI, it needed to be working on IIS. And at Inbox, actually, we had a client who needed ImpressCMS to be installed on IIS, so it was a very good opportunity for us to ensure everything was working on IIS. And to our biggest surprise, everything was working out of the box with IIS, except few minor things like URL rewrite and also the permissions, which are the way you deal with permission on IIS are a little bit different than the way you do it on the Linux server. So really, these are the two only things we need to adapt to make it work with ImpressCMS. So in order to submit ImpressCMS to the Web PI, the Web Platform Installer, we needed to create an ImpressCMS package with a few standard files in a standard package that would work on the Web PI. So the guys from Microsoft helped us and pointed us in the right direction where the documentation we needed to read and how the package would need to be created. And we created the package and then we submitted to the Web PI submit form, and usually, really it was a few hours work just to create the package, so it was kind of easy to do. We needed two kind of support. First, we needed to fully understand how to create the Web PI package, and that we got this information from people at Microsoft who know actually how to do it. And the other thing we needed also, when we faced those two little challenges with IIS, which are the permission and the rewriting, we got some help from Microsoft which pointed us in the right direction to fix those problems. So those were the only two areas where we needed help from Microsoft. Well, of course, we won't. I would be lying saying that Microsoft users are not important to us, because it's a huge user base with a lot of people having a Windows server. And now with Web PI, with the Windows server, they will be able to install ImpressCMS with 2 or 3 clicks of the mouse. So it's a great opportunity for us to reach all those people not using a Linux server or not involved much in the Linux community. And with the Windows server they will be able to test our software, and hopefully we'll gain more and more users because of that.